back to Kalyana Vaibhogame, talking about Anand Garu, your father. So how was it working with him?
I felt he had this, when I watched him on screen, he had the quality where the daughter is afraid of the father. He's like really, I don't know, dominant or really firm. Not that he shouts, not that he raises his voice, but the way he sounds, the way he moves, like really slow. So he has, as far as I'm concerned, done justice to Divya's dad.
Right. So final thoughts. Right. Now you've worked with Nandini for so long. You've known her for almost 6 months now, 5 months. So in the end, like, what is it that you have really understood about her? You already talked about your initial perception of her, that you found her to be a very nice person. You wanted to work with her, but after working with that, after going through the whole run, in the end.
What I've quite observed and what I also want to inculcate in me is like, you have a certain idea, you have a certain perspective about things. It need not be right, it need not be popular. Not everybody would like it. You like it, you know it, you have to stand by it because nobody else would. You have to believe in it and you have to go forward with it because I've heard her say making a movie is a gut feeling. You cannot take everybody's opinion and make like a perfect movie which everybody would like. No, majority likes it, maybe the other people don't. So just standing by what you believe, even though others may not actually quite do, is something I find really cool in her. With each movie, I get a really different perspective because for me, it's my parents, school, my friends, people of same age, or just my parents or relatives. But when I go out, when you go out and when you act in movies, there are so many different ideas. There are so many different kind of people. The crew in Yevade to the crew in here, it's very different. So it's all just about the perspective. And when we went to Nepal for Yevade shooting, it was getting to know so much and at such a rate.
Right.
Hence, I'm changing. I'm changing, and I'm so happy. I'm a very different person now after this movie. So, you wanted a lesson.
No, I think I've got what you're trying to say. Right.
You know what? I never wanted to do this. So there was nothing I wanted to achieve, or it was not like I'll do a movie in a year or anything. So I'm not nervous.